Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can find almost any font on an image. So here for example, you want to find what font that this t-shirt used. So here you can try to download the image first, or you can save the image. Here for example, and here you can access fontsquirrel.com, so you can upload the image or drag image here to start or use an image URL. And here let the process load, and here we go. Highlight the text you wish to match, so you can use this image, or use this fontsquirrel feature to highlight the text you wish to match. So here's like the tools you can drag to identify the font. Make sure it is precise. Here the font identifier, scan it automatically and click maturate it. And here the result. If there are multiple font style or external shapes in your image, please crop to the letters and you are trying to match. And here we go, you can click here to crop your image, and this is the font distributors: FontSprings, FontSquirrel, FontZillions, MyFont, and this is the result. And also you can try to install this What the Font extension. So you can use this as a easy font identifier on the any web page. Font Checker will help you to find your font in one click. Just add to Chrome, add to extension, and here we go. Now you have an easy way to find fonts on website. For example, let's start with the Wikipedia. Here the English one. So here click on the top of your screen, this is the extensions, and click What the Fonts, and choose a font that you want to identify. And here we go, this is the sans serif, and it can change. Here for example, this Arabic, and System UI Iranian Sans, Noto Sans Arabic, Dejavu Sans, sans serif, and so on. Feel free to try to use this What the Font extension to find any font just one in click. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.